In this video, I'm going to show you how to see before and after in Lightroom Desktop using two super simple methods. This is one of the easiest ways to compare your edits, check your progress, and make sure you're not over-editing your photo. If you're working on portraits, landscapes, or even product shots, the before and after view can help you instantly see how much difference your adjustments are making. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Lightroom tips and quick editing tutorials. Let's jump right in. The fastest way to see before and after in Lightroom is by using your keyboard. Open the photo you want to edit, make sure you're in the Edit panel, and then simply press the Backslash key on your keyboard. That is the Backslash key, the same key you'll usually find above the Enter key and near the Return key on most keyboards. As soon as you press it, Lightroom will toggle between your edited version and the original version. Press it again, and you'll switch back. This is the quickest method because you don't have to click through any menus, and it works great while you're actively editing. It lets you instantly compare your current adjustments with the original photo, so you can decide whether the changes are improving the image or if they're too strong. Now, if you prefer using the on-screen controls, there's another easy method. Open your photo in Lightroom, then go to the Edit panel on the right side. From there, click the three dots menu. In the options that appear, choose Show Original. This will let you view the unedited version of your image so you can compare it with your current edits. Depending on the version of Lightroom you're using, the wording may look slightly different, but the idea is the same. You're switching back to the original image so you can see the difference clearly. This method is helpful if you don't want to use keyboard shortcuts, or if you're just starting out and want to use the visual menu. A really useful tip is to keep toggling between before and after as you edit. Don't wait until the very end. Checking your edits regularly helps you avoid over-processing, especially with things like contrast, saturation, shadows, highlights, and skin tones. Sometimes an edit can look great while you're working on it, but once you compare it to the original, you may notice that it has become too dark, too sharp, or too colorful. That's why the before and after view is such a powerful tool in Lightroom. It gives you perspective and helps you make better editing decisions. So just to recap, if you want the fastest method, press the Backslash key to toggle before and after. If you want a menu-based option, open the photo, go to the Edit panel, click the three dots, and choose Show Original. Both methods are simple, both are useful, and both can help you edit with more confidence. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Lightroom tutorials, editing tips, and beginner-friendly how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.